Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put add to calendar links in your Mailchimp email. This is a fantastic way to boost engagement by allowing recipients to instantly add your event or meeting to their personal calendars with just one click. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it and enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where all your email campaigns and templates live, so make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage multiple ones. After signing in, head over to the Campaigns or Templates area. Here, you'll either select an existing email you want to edit or create a brand new one from scratch. This flexibility allows you to add calendar links to both ongoing campaigns and fresh templates you're building for future use. Once you've selected your email, click on Design Email. This action takes you into the email editor, which is the creative workspace where you can customize every element of your message. If you're working with a specific template, you'll be directed to the block editor for that chosen design. Now, look for the plus sign icon within the editor. Clicking this allows you to add a new content block to your email layout. From the options that appear, select either button or text block depending on how you want your calendar link to appear. Buttons tend to stand out more and encourage clicks, while text links offer a more subtle approach. With your block selected, it's time to enter a descriptive name for your button or link. Consider using clear, action-oriented phrases like book now or schedule now. These labels immediately communicate what will happen when recipients click, which increases the likelihood they'll actually take action. Next, head to your calendar link URL. This could be from Google Calendar, Calendly, or any other scheduling platform you're using. Copy the full link, making sure you capture the entire URL so nothing gets cut off. Return to your Mailchimp editor and paste this link into the URL field for your button or text block. This connection ensures that when someone clicks your button, they're taken directly to the calendar event. Once everything looks good and your link is properly connected, click on Save and Exit. This finalizes your changes and saves your email with the new Add to Calendar functionality embedded. And there you have it. You've successfully added an add to calendar link to your Mailchimp email, making it incredibly easy for your audience to save your event or meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.